Nature is about beauty and liveliness, even in the smallest details, especially the beauty of Thailand. No matter how many times we have been there, there is always a new perspective that we can share with everyone. Different moments and different seasons have their own charm waiting for us to discover. Taking care of nature and conserving nature is our way of sharing the beauty of nature for the next generation to inherit. What about you? What is your perspective on the natural beauty of Thailand? I want everyone to share in your own words what you find so beautiful about Thailand's natural beauty.
Join an activity, My Shades in Thailand, by logging through Twitter via worldwideweb.tourismthailand.org/myshadesInThailand. Get a chance to travel to Thailand and win a traveling package with an accommodation package. See more details at worldwideweb.tourismthailand.org/myshadesInThailand. From 1st to 30th November 2018 only.
I can't wait to read everyone's tweet about what they find beautiful in Thailand. Come to Thailand, the beauty of Thailand is waiting for you.